Why are you braking here?
You enjoying your healthy snack?
Yeah, I shouldn't do that. That's not nice. I'm gonna not eat right now. I'm just gonna stop.
We're gonna be pulling the head off on this D13 for a head gasket leak. The coolant leak on the right side of the engine, right rear. It was consuming, I think, like a gallon a day roughly.
Okay.
That's what the driver said. It's a lot.
Obviously, that's a lot. And you're 100% sure it was the head gasket?
Yeah.
Why would that happen?
It's a common, I wouldn't say, yeah, it's a common leak. So either they leak oil or they leak coolant. We've explained it a few times that they like to leak oil on this rear corner and coolant. This is going to be the first one I see in our fleet, but I've seen it.
Yeah, that is the first one, especially with those higher mileage trucks we bought. So what are we doing right now? We're taking off the head, which we're going to show you, and we'll inspect the head gasket. Yeah. Yeah. Talk about it.
We're going to see where it's leaking from. It's coming from like number 6, so one of those coolant ports around in that area.
And as we do that, we already checked the bull gear. Everything is fine.
Yeah, I checked it right now when I was at the back room from the cam gear.
Let's take it off and show you guys the gasket, and let's see how the liners look. Right?
It has what's the mileage on this one?
750.
750 on it.
We'll see. We'll see. I'm interested to see what it looks like on the inside, so let's check it out.
Yeah, the leak was right here from this spot right here.
Can you show the leak exactly? Can you point it out?
Yeah, you can see the leak right here on the housing.
Yeah, I see it there. Like,
yeah, you can see something.
Is the gasket cracked?
No, it's no, it just failed from overtime.
Mileage.
Yeah, it looks like the liners were sealing. Everything was sealing good on the head gasket.
How would you know if it wasn't?
Can you pick it up on your light?
Yeah.
So you see how we have this line right here, this seal? It's perfect. It's nice and perfect right around the cylinder. If it was blown, you would see some gases escaping, some combustion escaping. See, that's the part of that O-ring, similar to this.
Yeah.
And that's why it started to leak over time. Just gave out. Yeah, it's from this corner. You can see it, right? The little buildup.
You see the build up there. So,
and it was starting to seep oil too, you saw it? You can see that.
Yeah. Alright, what are you going to do next?
We're going to clean up the surface, inspect the head, just put a new gasket on there.
Yeah, looks fine.
Number 2, look at there's some scoring going on. You see it?
Yeah. We haven't had was he adding oil? I don't think it was.
I don't think so, to be honest with you.
Is this acceptable?
I would say it's acceptable. It's not at the point that it's like, oh, you know.
It's not worth overhauling.
I don't feel anything on there.
Yeah, so we're just gonna put the new head gasket, put it back, clean it up, and put it back together and keep trucking.
So the intake, you can see the intake. It's all wet.
Let's see.
See that?
Yeah. So that's it. We're gonna.
That's our first one right here, right?
That's the first one.
For our fleet. We've done a few other
Yeah, of course.
yeah. For our fleet, that's the first one that's real.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it guys for today. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.